place by the lake. A medley of evergreens we shared on that day, and at that moment I felt it all click. Purpose achieved, yearning subsided. Derelict cowboy, I no longer abided. But all that would change is the flowers would die, the trees withered out, and so then did I. I glanced in your iris on a cold December morn. Emboldened smile, that's what I remembered. I feared deep inside all the words you would speak. I then watched the brutal truth eclipse your teeth, and that's when you said this to me. And that's when you said this to me. I love you, I can't keep on pouring my soul. I love you, just keep on the dirt in the hole. I love you, I won't fall asleep anymore. The drugs, they don't work, they're just taking a toll. I see in your face that you've lost all control. The facade is vacating, the glass mirror shatters. My hands are all bloody, my mysterious masters. I wish I could tell you and vomit the truth. I wish I could shelter all you've been through. Your arms so heavy and your eyes so weary. Just fall to my side, I'll be your remedy. I'll be your remedy. I'll be your melody. I'll be your remedy. So familiar, right on the carpet, such a gross mixture. Nothing but stains from one side of fixtures, more picture an inch, and here come the roaches. Here's in the basement, covered with cloth, with disheveled shoes. I evade the clod, towards the toad, it's covered in earth. Smell of still water enters my nose. The arid taste of asbestos and abandon. That off-white plastic covers my heart. I should feel so safe, but the emptiness swallows. I'm stuck in the jowls, my resistance is futile. And this for the grout of the water-stained tiles. Step in the room where we lost our belongings. Found an old picture and I traced your hair. I can still see your hand, right in the date. I just wish I knew it'd be the last time I saw you. I never thought you'd actually go run away. I never thought you'd actually go run away. I never thought you'd actually go run away. I lost myself trying to strive for something greater. Paralyzed by a pigeon hole that I put on myself. Hold a broken bottle to my own throat. A bludgeon battered against my temple. Self-flagellation is a method of repentance. Anything to fill a void, my father's acceptance. A putrid behavior passed down my lineage. Desire for love but refusal to commitment. If I spill out my guts, would you treat me the same? If I showed you my faults, would you still look away? If I open the scars and let the blood spray, would I still feel the frustration I'm feeling today? A desire to be wanted, to be held, to be nurtured. I feel like a stray dog, lowly and neutered. My fist punched the concrete, I scream to the air until my hands are bloody and I can't feel them down there. A desperate plea, a cry for some civility, but I can't be bothered to show some humility. I glance in the mirror, my face turns to a pulp. I claw at my skin as it starts to molt. I felt panic in my blood and I scramble to fix it. I hate the delusions and pain it elicits. I feel that it's worthless, I'm just a meat puppet. My name is no meaning.
Evergreens. their brain to. Shreddies have tried to explain to them about the asteroid that was going to come and destroy their world, but they just couldn't figure out what she was talking about.